Have you ever seen these numbers? These inspired many to try making their own YouTube channels, but the sad reality is not many of them succeeded. You might be one of those who are struggling to get the results too. If that sounds familiar, don't worry, I'm here to help you turn things around. Today I'm going to show you a framework you can follow that will boost your channel's statistics, even if you're a newcomer. Stick to the end to find out. Now let's go get it. As a new YouTuber, you'll likely face setbacks, videos that don't perform as expected, content that doesn't resonate, or even technical difficulties. One of the most powerful tools you can have is having a growth mindset, a concept pioneered by psychologist Carol Dweck. Instead of letting these failures discourage you, adopt the growth mindset and see them as opportunities for improvement. For instance, if your video doesn't get many views, analyze the data to figure out why. Were the thumbnail or title not engaging enough? Did the first few seconds fail to capture attention? Each failure is a chance to learn and refine your approach. With this mindset, you will be unstoppable. YouTube success doesn't happen overnight, but when you view the process of creating, learning, and growing as the real reward, you'll stay motivated and engaged, even when the path gets tough. Like Steve Jobs said, if you really look closely, most overnight successes took a long time. Besides having the right mindset, you also need to identify what success means to you. Are you optimizing for money, building a personal brand, or maybe you're here for the experiences and the creative journey? A simple trick you can use is to take a moment and write down what your dream day looks like. Now, expand it. What does a dream week, month, or even year of success on YouTube look like for you? When you define these goals, it helps you stay focused, avoid burnout, and make decisions that align with your vision. You need to ask yourself what type of video you want to make. What excites you? What topic gives you the motivation to create? Answering these questions is the first step to take to find your niche. Then you need to do further research and analysis. Look for multiple niches with high estimated revenue, then dig deeper from there. Whether you choose popular niches like supercars, motivational or tech reviews, study the most successful creators in your chosen category. Research their work and pay attention to their content style, the way they engage with their audience, their thumbnails, and posting schedules. Let's say you're interested in supercars. Look at channels like Supercar Blondie or DDE. What kind of titles do they use? How frequently do they post? What's the style of their thumbnails? Doing this research will help you understand the trends and set a standard for your content. Once you have analyzed the already big channels, there's a deep hole that you may easily fall into, which is copying those. Keep this in mind, you are learning from them, not copying. Copying isn't the goal. Think about how you can stand out. What unique value are you bringing to your audience? What makes you, you? A great way to visualize this is by creating a mood board. You can use Pinterest, Milanote, or any tool you like to map out your brand's style, colors, and vibe. This will help you craft a look and feel that's distinct and memorable for your viewers, letting you stand out from the crowd of millions of channels on the platform. What if someday you come to the point where you run out of video ideas? What would you do then? Well, here's a practical tip before you even start creating videos. Write 100 potential video titles. Why? It helps you think ahead. Ensure that you're never short on ideas. Tools like vidIQ or Veed.io can even help you brainstorm and refine your ideas. Write some title ideas that will intrigue the viewers. Look at DDE's titles, for example. See how their titles always include something controversial or spark curiosity? The same goes for Supercar Blondie, but not as frequent. You can study from multiple channels to narrow down the best way to write a title idea that you will use to make a video. How can you tell if your idea is working? Testing allows you to identify what resonates with your audience, what needs tweaking, and how to improve your future videos. Use platforms like TikTok or Instagram to test out shorter clips or versions of your content. These platforms offer real-time feedback in the form of likes, comments, and shares, which helps you gauge interest quickly. Additionally, consider joining relevant communities on LinkedIn, Discord, or Reddit to share your ideas and get constructive feedback from like-minded individuals. Now comes the grind. You got to have a video to upload on your channel. That being said, making a video can be quite a challenge for many, especially the type of content that you have to do everything manually, such as setting up the camera, filming shots, editing, and so on. Everything seems quite intimidating to you, right? But what if I told you there's a way to simplify your workflow and still create engaging videos? Instead of traditional filming, you can use AI tools to produce high-quality content efficiently. It's not difficult to find AI-generated channels with insane results. From generating animations and visuals to even writing scripts, platforms like Leonardo AI, HeyGen, PlayHT, and so on allow you to create compelling video content without ever picking up a camera. If you want to learn more, I have another video teaching you step-by-step to make AI videos. Success on YouTube isn't just about creating and uploading videos. It's about how well those videos reach your audience. You need to ensure that your content is seen. The algorithm places a huge emphasis on two things: your thumbnail and the first few seconds of your video. Your thumbnail is the first impression of your video. It needs to stand out, be visually appealing, and clearly communicate what your video is about. Meanwhile, the first few seconds are crucial, as viewers based on them decide to stay or keep scrolling. Tracking data is another essential component of YouTube's success. Without understanding how your videos are performing, it's hard to know what's working and where you need improvement. Key performance metrics such as click-through rate, viewership during the first 30 seconds, and average view duration provide valuable insights into your content's effectiveness. Improving your content doesn't stop once a video is published. In fact, many creators find that tweaking elements like thumbnails or titles after a video has gone live can significantly boost its performance over time. It's also important to avoid falling into the trap of doing too much. Many creators overload themselves with tasks, believing that the more content they produce, the better their chances of success. However, doing more isn't always better. In fact, constantly pushing out content without thought or strategy can kill your creativity. Focus on quality over quantity, and allow yourself the space to experiment and explore new ideas. Creative exploration is essential for growth. Trying new things, testing different styles, and stepping out of your comfort zone are crucial for keeping your content fresh and engaging. Developing a system to critique your own work is key to this process. Instead of simply asking, "Is this good?" dig deeper by questioning how it can be improved or how well it aligns with your overall goals. As we reach the end of this journey, I want to leave you with a powerful message. Success on YouTube is within your reach. Challenges and mistakes are not failures. They are lessons, opportunities to grow and improve. Every setback is a chance to come back stronger, so embrace the process. Research your niche, write those 100 titles, and create your unique value proposition. Every video you upload, every thumbnail you tweak, and every piece of data you analyze brings you closer to your goals. You are on a journey of discovery, of growth, of unleashing your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment, to test, and to adjust. YouTube success isn't handed out, it's earned through persistence, patience, and continuous improvement. Flexibility and the willingness to adapt are key to finding your way. Martin Luther King once said,
"If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward."
So don't give up. Stay consistent, stay creative, and most importantly, stay true to your vision.
Period.
Comment below, what do you think of this video? What do you want to know more about? Also, if you want to learn more about how to make AI videos for your channel, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.